Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Cox router modem blinking green, meaning, causes and solutions. Fix 1. Wait for the modem to finish connecting. Leave the modem powered on for about 10 to 15 minutes and watch the status light. If the light becomes solid white or solid green, the connection has been restored. Fix 2. Check the coaxial cable connection. Locate the coaxial cable connected to the modem and make sure both ends are securely tightened. Now inspect the cables for bend, cut, or damage and replace the cable if necessary. Fix 3. Factory reset the modem. Locate the reset button on the modem and press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds using a paper clip. Now release the button and wait for the modem to reboot. Allow the modem to reconnect to the Cox network. Fix 4. Restart the Cox modem. Unplug the modem's power cable and wait for 60 seconds. Now plug the power cable back in and allow the modem to fully reboot and reconnect. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.